Hi guys, and today we are going to be unboxing these Bose headphones. I will put the model up here on the screen right now because it doesn't really tell it on the box, but let's crack it open. Noise cancelling, premium sound. Yep. A good mic and 20 hours of listening per charge. Bose headphones. A nice protective film. The headphones. Okay, let's first get this thing out. So this is the manual. This is... oh, it's just in different languages. Okay, let's get on with the headphones. So nothing in here. Okay, so let's unbox the actual headphones. Now, what is this? Is this an airplane adapter? I think you can listen in these headphones in an airplane. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Now, this is a cable. A nice long cable. And then we have the actual headphones. Now, they close in a really weird position, and they really look almost the same as these Aventry headphones. We bought these headphones for sale in Costco, and they're the same as QuietComfort 35. It's just Costco made a deal with Bose to remove the brand, but they're exactly the same. So I'll try to pair them with my computer and see if I can play any sound. And I will see you guys in a second. So I have done some tests, listened to music, paired them, edited some videos, and here are my thoughts. These headphones are great, especially the noise cancellation. My dad's right next to me and I can't hear him. The noise cancellation is great. The bass is great, but the sound is a bit muffled. That's my only complaint, but anyway, I really recommend these headphones. They are great, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. One thing that I totally forgot to mention is that they differ from the second model. The first model, which is these ones, you can listen to music even if the battery is dead. You can just run the wire, where is it? Oh my god. This wire into them, and it will just play your music as normal. In the second model, though, you can't do that. I couldn't get the microphone to work, and I can't show you the microphone capabilities, so that's not in this video. But next video, which is gonna come out in a few days, I will do a review. I will do a comparison from the Pixel 4 and Pixel 4a 5G cameras. So, like and subscribe if you want to see that comparison. And I'll see you guys in the next one.